Binance sent $34 into my account this morning, and I can usually make $150 within the next 24 hours. If you watch this to the end, I will show you how to get an additional $50. This is how you and everyone else can make this money too. Step 1, download Binance with my referral link in the description. You can get up to $10 for simply doing that correctly. Step 2, then make sure to verify your identity, then switch to Binance Pay with the face icon. Step 3, tap on referral or use the search icon to find referrals. Step 4, once you click on the referrals, you see the lite page. There you see the 100 USDT Friends Challenge. You will know how much you've won for using my link, and you also get your own referral link to invite your friends to also win some money. Within the next 24 hours, Binance is giving users the opportunity to get an additional $50 if you share your link on your socials with your friends, get some referrals, and make sure to get them to verify their identity. There are so many other ways to make money on Binance. You're playing games, sending crypto, and let me know in the comments if you want me to make more videos on that. I will pull you up. And right now, there are other campaigns that are going up or that you can actually make money from on Binance. All right.